Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this absolutely beautiful 2015 Q50 all-wheel drive we have for sale. This actually might be one of the nicest, or is the nicest, pre-owned Q50 on our lot at the time. This one only has 19,655 miles at the time of making this video. It was just returned as a lease. The customer just leased a brand new Q50. Beautiful local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle. And aside from the sport package, this one is equipped with almost every available option you could get in 2015. This one has the leather seating package. It has a touring package giving you this beautiful wood trim, as well as a lot of other amazing features. A technology package, so you have lots of safety features. So starting from the center of the vehicle and kind of working our way outwards, a lot of stuff to cover. We have a drive mode selector to tailor the transmission shift points, traction control, stability control settings, throttle sensitivity, direct adaptive steering to the type of driving you want or the type of driving situation you're in, and you can also personalize it. You have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. Not only does it have a rear parking camera, it has a 360-degree around view monitor, as well as front and rear parking sensors, backup collision intervention. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Great sounding Bose Studio and Wheel sound system. Advanced climate control system. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and it telescopes. This one has adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, blind spot intervention, lane departure warning, lane departure intervention, forward collision warning, forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection. This actually can not just see what's going on with the vehicle in front of you, it actually can look ahead into the vehicle that's front of the car that's in front of you. So if the car that's in front of the car that's in front of you hits the brakes, this Q50 can actually hit the brakes before you even know what's going on. Direct adaptive steering, so it's steer by wire, so you can take full control over the weight of the steering ratio. You can make it heavy steering with a fast ratio like a sports car, or you can make it a lighter steering ratio and slower like a luxury automobile. Also features lane keep assist, which makes small steering corrections to keep you in place during cruising on the highway. That's supposed to help battle driver fatigue, so it can follow the lines in the highway during light curves. It's not an autonomous driving system, but like I said, it's supposed to make small steering corrections so you don't have to help battle driver fatigue. 19-inch sport wheel and tire package. So these are the same wheels that you normally get in the sport Q50, optional on the regular Q50. Really nice compromise if you like the look of the sport but you don't want the stiffer suspension and harsher ride. A regular Q50 with the 19-inch sport wheels is a nice compromise. Great color combination in white on black leather. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive, great for the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. The roads are wet right now. So with 330 horsepower, the all-wheel drive system will make the most efficient use of that power, putting it to the ground in a very efficient manner, greatly improving your wet weather performance. And if you do drive in the snow, it does fantastic in snowy conditions. .330 horsepower, award-winning VQ37 engine, maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost replacement of timing belts. This Q50 comes with a lifetime powertrain warranty, something extra from us here at Infiniti of Tacoma. Come in, take it for a drive. I think you'll absolutely love it.